Hello, this is Antigone, your high-level ninja, showing you how to use Go High Level. Go High Level gives us lots of great ways to work together, and another way is something called assignments or assignees. What this means is that every contact can be assigned to an owner. That's the team member responsible for that entire relationship with this person, kind of like their primary account manager. When the contact is assigned, their messages can be filtered in the conversations tab, blah, blah. That way each staff member can look at only the messages for their contacts. A common way for small companies to divide the work is by role. So let's say the company has 3 salespeople, and all 3 salespeople look at the incoming leads. They look at the same sales at mycompany.com mailbox, all that kind of stuff. That means that no person is in charge of the relationship. So potential clients might get dropped, might get missed, or somebody might get contacted multiple times by different salespeople. Either one of those scenarios is less than desirable from a potential client or a client perspective. Assigning one team member to the contact record means this is the person who is overall responsible for the relationship. Everything starts and ends with them. They are the folks who coordinate all of the other communications and need to be aware of any other communications. This also means that there are assignees in different pipelines. So let's say someone is a potential client for program A and a potential client for program B, and they're already enrolled in program C. So they might have an overall assignment as to who's in charge of the relationship. They might have one salesperson assignee for program A, another salesperson assignee for program B, and then a coach assignee for program C that they're already in. How the heck do we do all of this magic? When looking at the contact record, at the very top of the center column, there's something that says owner assigned to. Either there's a name there, in which case that's who's in charge of the relationship, or you can click the drop-down arrow and assign it to someone. Or let's say somebody left, you can assign it to somebody else. While looking at the overall contacts list, you can also use what's called a quick filter to look at all of the contacts who are assigned to a particular team member. This is especially helpful in the conversation history so that you see only the conversations for the contacts that are assigned to you so that you're not duplicating efforts across team members. Now let's look at the opportunity assignee. When you're looking at it, it's kind of buried in here, okay? So you want to look at, here's the contact details, here's the opportunity details, there's the pipeline, the status, there's the owner. So for this particular pipeline, whether it's the program, whether it's delivering a service, whether it's a customer ticket for something that went wrong, this is who is overseeing this particular segment of the relationship. If you like this content and how things are explained, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you so very much. It will help the channel grow.